Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to show values and percentage together in Excel pie chart. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, product category list and sales amount. So here I'm going to first create pie chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group have a pie charts option. Click on the drop down arrow and select the first 2D pie chart. And you can see your pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here I'm going to show the values and percentage together in the pie chart. Simply right click on the any slice in the pie chart and click on the add data labels, and again right click on the pie chart and click on the format data labels, and you can see the format data labels right hand side opens. In labels option just click on the percentage, and here you can see the values and percentages together in the pie charts. Okay, just close this format data label and that's it. So this is a way you can add the values, and you can just drag and set here also. You can increase or decrease the size of labels also. Okay, so this is a way you can show the values and percentage together in Excel pie charts. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.